Hey guys, it's Ella, and in this video I wanted to go over and show you what Kartra is all about. Chances are, if you've been in the online marketing industry for a while, you most likely have heard of Kartra, but if you haven't yet, don't worry. I'll take you through it and show you what Kartra can do for you. So before I begin, I wanted to let you know, if you wanted to check it out, go ahead and click the link below this video to check out Kartra, or go to ellaconverse.com/Kartra, and that's where you'll be able to learn more about it. Once you're on that page, this is what you're gonna see. This video covers all the features and benefits of Kartra. So let's scroll down, and here's what Kartra offers. It has Kartra checkouts, where you can actually collect payments through Kartra. Has Kartra pages, which is where you can build any kind of web page you want. And then we have Kartra leads. This is where you can collect all your leads and start building your lists. Then we have Kartra funnels and campaigns. So this is for you to engineer a multi-page funnel flow to convert visitors into leads, leads into customers, and customers into recurrent clients. Then we have Kartra mail. This is an autoresponder. So this is how you're going to be able to email your lists and create automations and sequences and different rules and things like that. Then we have Kartra memberships. Kartra memberships are pretty much like courses. So you create a membership and then you set up your course within that membership. You can create free memberships or you can create paid memberships. It's really up to you. And their memberships are very simple to use and very simple to set up. And as well as it creates a really great experience for your members. Then we have Kartra videos. So what this is, you can actually host your videos within your Kartra account, which is really great. And the cool thing about this is that you can actually inject lead capture forms within your video or create multi-video playlists and different things like that. It's really, really cool. Then you can also set up a help desk as well and manage it within your Kartra account. Your customers are able to submit tickets and you'll be able to reply right from your help desk within Kartra, which is really great. Then we have Kartra calendars, which is really, really awesome. They actually just updated their calendars and took it to a whole new level, which makes me really excited. So what you can do if you're doing coaching calls or scheduling any type of events, this is where you're going to be able to create a calendar and simply send the link to your customers, your potential clients, and they'll be able to book a call with you, and all of it is connected within Kartra, and you can literally see all the analytics and how everything works perfectly and seamlessly together. Let's see, what else do we have? We have Kartra forms, which is obviously you gotta collect the leads somehow, so this is where you would set up your forms. Then this is really, really cool. If you are selling your own products, your own courses, this is where you can create an affiliate program. It does have an option where you can actually recruit, manage, and track an army of affiliates to promote your products, which is really cool. And you can set up any kind of commission structure you want. It's really simple, but at the same time, it's very sophisticated how this is set up. If you are currently running a marketing agency, or maybe you're planning to start one, this feature is really great. They have a Kartra agency, which allows you to manage customer accounts from one centralized console. So it's really, really cool how you can manage all your clients there. Okay, then we have Kartra Marketplace, which is a marketplace where you can post all your courses in there, and Kartra users will be able to see all your courses and purchase it right within the marketplace, which is really great. It gives you that exposure within the Kartra community. And of course, last but not least, we have integrations and API. So if you have to connect certain software with Kartra, you can simply do that inside of integrations and API. So what makes Kartra so different? It's all in one account. So all of this that we just went over right here, all of it will be included in your Kartra account. I personally cannot imagine what else you would need to run a successful online business. So let's go over some plans and pricing, and I'm actually going to show you a little trick or a hack, if you want to call it that, how you can extend a trial with Kartra. So let's click on that. And here is where you would choose your plan. So this is the monthly plan right here, and you can kind of check out the prices for the monthly plan. And if you choose an annual plan, you get 25% discount. So if you want to pay a year in advance, this definitely saves you money. So let's go over the monthly plan right here. The starter kit allows you to have up to 2,500 leads, one custom domain, 15,000 emails per month, and so on. You can kind of go over it yourself, what it includes. I don't want to go through all of it, but it is $99 a month. As you can see, it's very competitive when you compare it to other autoresponders out there. But Kartra is not just an autoresponder. It literally is all-in-one marketing platform that you can run your entire business on. So for the silver plan, we have up to 12,500 leads, 3 custom domains, and as you can see, all the rest of the things are unlimited. So you get unlimited emails, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited pages, unlimited videos, unlimited products, unlimited membership sites, and unlimited team members, and also unlimited help desks, and also Kartra agency. So all of that you get for only $199 a month, which is really a great price. So this is the most popular one, but obviously there are some people that need gold and also platinum. So for those, you can see this is $299 a month and $499 for the platinum. So as you can see right here, if you're going to select any one of these, this will just take you straight to the payment page and you're going to have to pay the full amount up front. But if you wanted to get a trial and kind of try it out first, here's what you would do. Pay attention closely to what I'm doing right now. So act as if you're gonna exit the page. And then once you do that, you get this pop-up right here and it says for a very limited time, get Kartra for $1. So what this gives you is it gives you 14-day $1 trial, which is really great. You can use Kartra literally for $1 for 14 days. But I also want to show you one little trick what you can do to actually extend that trial. This can only be done through a special link. If you would go directly to Kartra right now, you'll see exactly what we're seeing right now. But if you go through my special link, this is where you can actually double your trial period. If you clicked on the link below this video that I provided, it's already a special link. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click on it and you should be able to do that. So let's go to ellaconverse.com/Kartra. And then you'd go to plans and pricing. So here it says pick your 14-day trial plan. This is what you do here to get your trial doubled. You simply go up and act as if you're gonna exit this page. This other pop-up comes up through my special link, which offers us to double our trial. For a very limited time, double your trial. It actually gives you 30-day trial instead of just 14 days. So what you would do is just click yes, double my trial, and then go ahead and sign up. And again, I want to point out that you're not gonna get that through going directly to Kartra. You're only gonna get this offer through my special link. So go ahead and click on the link below this video. So let's log in into my Kartra account, and I want to kind of show you really quick how it looks like. This is the dashboard. This is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see your sales here, how much your revenue and net profit was in the last 7 days. And then you'll see all your leads and lists and sequences, different things like that over here. And then here you'll see your recent broadcasts, traffic and conversions funnels over here, and all the numbers, help desk tickets right here. And then also here you'll see your upcoming calendar events right here. So on the left here we have the menu, which consists of my products, my communications, which is the emails, my pages. This is where you have all your pages, and then my forms, my memberships, my videos, my calendars, my help desks, my campaigns, my integrations, and my agency, and also my affiliate promos. Pretty much everything that we went over on what Kartra offers. And this video is already getting a little too long, so what I'm gonna do is I'll kind of split this into a few different videos, but this is it. This is what you're gonna get with Kartra. I have been using Kartra for the last 4 years or so, and I've been the beta member of Kartra way before it was even launched to the public, and I absolutely love it. It's a great platform to run your entire business on, and especially if you have different software and different autoresponders that you're using and trying to connect it all together, it's gonna save you a lot of money. When I switched to Kartra, it actually saved me over $500 a month that was going out for me to have access to all these different software separately. So Kartra has been a game changer for me, and it can be for you, that's for sure. Go ahead and check it out, and I know you're gonna love it. And I'm looking forward to do a few more videos for you to kind of explain what each of these sections offer and what you can actually replace by switching to Kartra as your marketing platform. That's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.